More news coming in. This is a mega scoop on the India-US trade talk. Sources indicate India may lower duty on Harley. India may further cut import duty on US wines. Harley tariff already slashed from 50% to 40%. Duty on bourbon whiskey cut from 150% to 100% is what we are learning. We're learning of these details as of now. Chetan has more on that, our associate editor from Business Today TV. Chetan, talk to us about what is now being worked on as far as these intricate details are concerned. What is it that you're picking up?
Oh, well, 3 to 4 key agenda items that the US trade authorities have been wanting from the Indian government, and however Indian government sources have in fact told Business Today TV exclusively that that is actually not a point of contention as far as these 3 to 4 things go. In fact, the Indian government had actually cut import duties on Harley-Davidson bikes, on bourbon whiskey and Californian wine. Sources indicate that the government is further open to cut more import duty on these 2 to 3 items. In fact, what my sources are also telling me that the discussions on increasing US exports of pharmaceutical items, organic chemicals and inorganic chemicals is also on the card. Discussions are underway as we speak, and furthermore, items are likely to be discussed. But yes, these 3 to 4 items are on the agenda. The US government officials really want these 3 to 4 items to start coming to India. The import duty should be cut, and the government is likely to respond very soon to these 3 to 4 items. If I can report some numbers to you as far as the import of pharmaceutical products are concerned, the Indian government in fact increased its import in 2021-22 by 78%, decreased by 27.5% in 2022-2023, and in 2023-24 it decreased by 10%. So a growth of about 20 to 30% as far as pharmaceutical sector grows is of course happening. But yes, the Indian government is now likely to open up its sector for import of pharmaceuticals, organic and inorganic chemical sector as well.
And India further cutting import duty on US wines and other products like the much-loved Harley. Tariff also already slashed from 50 to 40%. It's going to bring down, Chetan, the cost of these products in the country. And this, of course, is some sort of a quid pro quo. Just put this into perspective for our viewers on the kind of pressure that India has been in, given the the imposition of reciprocal tariffs from the new administration in the US at this point in time.
Oh, well, absolutely. We have been seeing that the government has been having a very heavy import duty structure for imported whiskey is concerned. Well, America has a very huge market for manufacturing bourbon whiskeys, and they have been supplying all throughout. In fact, India's market for bourbon whiskey is quite highly priced, but with this further import duty reduction, we will see more inflow of American bourbon whiskey coming into India at much cheaper rates. In fact, Californian wine, which is also one of the most premium wines, would also be costing much lesser into the Indian market. And of course, with more imports being allowed, we'll see how the government really gets the influx of domestic manufacturers and balancing both the companies, both domestic manufacturers and of course the importing of American bourbon whiskey and of course the Californian wine is concerned. So yes, the reciprocal tariff is...
Will there be a further cut in these products in terms of the kind of taxes that are paid, given the duties that are paid, and this is going to be in addition to what had been announced in the budget?
Well, absolutely. We expect that what already has been announced in the budget, there will be a further reduction about 5 to 10 to 15%. The range is being talked about because remember, alcohol and of course liquor is one of the businesses that really attracts a lot of duty and brings in a lot of money to the Indian exchequer. That is why India would be definitely be keen to cut more rates, but yes, in a very reasonable manner, in which the United States of America government officials and the Indian government officials have to come at the same point, because remember the exchequer's inflow of money through liquor is quite high, and of course the state tax a lot of levies also on the Indian whiskies as well. So clearly there would be a cut for sure, but the range is being discussed is what my sources are telling me.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Chetan Bhutani getting asked those details. The range is being discussed, but there would be a further slash is what Chetan has learned from his sources. Chetan, I'm going to thank you for the moment.